First question. The given diagram shows to the ovum surrounded by few sperms. Identify alphabets A, B and C correctly. So here in this given diagram, this A is zona pellucida. The zona pellucida, also called as egg coat or pellucid zone, is a glycoprotein layer surrounding the plasma membrane of mammalian oocytes. It is a vital constitutive part of the oocytes. The zona pellucida first appears in unilaminar primary oocytes. Now if you look at this part B, this B is perivitelline space. The perivitelline space is the space between the zona pellucida and the cell membrane of an oocyte or fertilized ovum. In the slow block to polyspermy, the cortical granules released from the ovum are deposited in the perivitelline space. And last, if you see at C, this C is a corona radiata. The corona radiata is the innermost layer of the cells of the cumulus oophorus and is directly adjacent to the zona pellucida. The inner protective glycoprotein layer of the ovum and its main purpose in many animals is to supply vital proteins to the cell. Now looking towards the option, the correct answer is option B, that is A, zona pellucida, B, perivitelline space and C, corona radiata. Correct answer for this question is option B. Looking towards the next question, which of the following is a correct sequence in human embryo development? The zygote is the first cell that forms after fertilization. The zygote undergoes rapid mitotic division known as the cleavage. Cleavage results in the formation of an 8 to 16 cell structure known as the morula. Then blastulation is the next step that leads to the formation of blastula from the morula. The blastula has two types of cell, outer trophoblast and the inner cell mass and a cavity known as blastocoele. Morphogenetic movement takes place in this blastula and form a gastrula, and this is known as the gastrulation. The cavity of gastrula is known as the archenteron. So the correct option is cleavage, blastulation and gastrulation. The correct answer is option C for this question. Looking towards the next question, fertilization involves. So fusion of male and female gamete is a key step in reproduction. This is known as fertilization. Fertilization results in zygote, which later develops into embryo. So the correct answer is fusion of nuclei of male and female gametes. So the correct answer is option D, that is fusion of nucleus of male and female gametes. Looking towards the next question, select the option which correctly matches the endocrine gland with its hormone and its function. So first of all, we know that the corpus luteum secretes progesterone, which is essential for the maintenance of endometrium. So then this is the wrong one, because the corpus luteum is given the hormone estrogen, but it releases progesterone. So this B option is wrong. Then Leydig cells of the testes secretes androgen, that is testosterone, which stimulates spermatogenesis, formation of sperms from the germ cell. So this is a correct function. Then ovary contains ovarian follicle which secrete estrogen. So here it is given FSH, which is wrong. The development of the ovarian follicle is stimulated by FSH secreted from an anterior pituitary. Okay, so that is wrong one. And then the correct answer for this question is this one only, Leydig cells, androgen, which initiates the production of sperm. The correct answer for this question is option C. Looking towards the last question, which of the following depicts the correct pathway of transport of sperms? Now, in the male sex, accessory duct includes restis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. The sperm are produced in the seminiferous tubules, and seminiferous tubules of the testes open into the vasa efferentia through redded testes. And the vasa efferentia leave the testes and open into epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testes. And the epididymis leads to vas deferens that ascends to the abdomen and loops over the urinary bladder, and it receives a duct from seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as the ejaculatory duct. So the correct answer is redded testes, efferent ductules, epididymis, and vas deferens. So the correct answer is option B, that is redded testes, efferent ductules, epididymis, and then it goes to vas deferens. Option B.